Do you need a waterproof IP68 rated coupling solution for your Ethernet assemblies or cables? We have the perfect solution. These couplers, we have them both in CAT6 and CAT6A. They're designed to couple together and create a waterproof coupling of your, for example, this is a tactical Ethernet assembly, and then either to another assembly or a patch cable that goes into the equipment or whatnot. It's often needed. We sell quite a few of these. We have plenty on the shelf. Let me show you how this thing works so you're able to use it. The components of this are essentially, you have a coupler with two O-rings, and then you have your end caps, and you'll see there's a split grommet on each end. So I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to pop it together and show you how to couple these two connectors together. All right, so those are all of our components. We are taking basically the back end of this Ethernet assembly, and we're going to couple it to this patch cable to show you how to do it. So first thing first, you are going to slide the cap onto the cable, take the split grommet. You're going to want to put the spot that says doesn't actually matter, they're the same on both sides, this one. So you're going to go like that. Then you're going to slide or insert your connector in. Then the split grommet, you're just going to basically get it around that flange. You're not going to want to tighten this up yet though. We want to leave it loose until we get it coupled together. Then you're going to want to put on the end cap. So snap this guy on. Then first thing first, we're going to screw that portion on. Then we're going to grab our cap. As you'll see, it creates a nice tight seal around it, and then you have your O-ring sealing there. We're going to do the other side real quick. We'll show you again so you got it down pat. So once again, take your cap, put it on, split grommet over the cable. I'm going to plug this RJ45 in. Doesn't matter really which order you do it in, kind of, but now we're going to take the split grommet, make sure it's behind these fingers here. Make sure that's pushed up nice and tight. Now we'll take this guy, tighten it up, and that's all sealed up. That is a waterproof IP68 rated coupling of two CAT6A shielded RJ45 connectors. Once again, we sell these in CAT6, and I know a lot of people will be like, why not use fiber? Why not use fiber? We sell fiber all day long. That's what we specialize in. And we do sell these in a for fiber optic coupler with fiber optic couplers and two patch tactical fiber assemblies or whatnot together. I'll do another video to show you guys those and how those work. Thank you for watching. I will post a link or the URL to the product pages of these, and thanks for watching the video.